To diet or not to diet? That is the question. So, when it comes to body image and self worth, there has always been so much attention on dieting and food. It's a $1 billion industry still. So, it begs the question, does dieting really help body image insecurities? What I found is the attachment to dieting and controlling carbs and weight takes away more than it gives. It makes you a slave to counting carbs, restriction, and the number on the scales. It doesn't free you, it enslaves you. And in my experience, women who detach from dieting find it easier to maintain a healthy diet and feel more confident about their body almost effortlessly. So, how do you do it? Well, it's called intuitive eating. And research showed that girls who lived with women who were less insecure about their body for just 1 week automatically ate healthier foods and ate the appropriate portion sizes at the right times of day for them, and were able to maintain and in some cases losing excess weight naturally. So, I'm going to introduce you to the intuitive eating breakdown. Your intuition is your inner goddess. And guess what? She knows exactly what foods you need to eat for your body, in what quantity, and at what time of day in order for you to live your best life and have your best body. If you allow her, she will do this effortlessly. And when these girls who took part in the experiment just hung around a woman who was just a bit connected to her inner goddess guidance and felt confident in her body, they became connected to theirs also and were able to intuitively eat effortlessly, as if by osmosis. And if that happened in just 1 week, when they were just hanging around with a woman who just felt, fairly okay in her body, imagine what you'll be like after these 6 weeks in this program, Killing It with me. I want you for at least these 6 weeks to take your attention away from dieting fully and completely and focus on building self-esteem, body image, and connecting to your inner goddess, and let the rest take care of itself. People usually struggle to eat healthy because they lack self-esteem and body image and are trapped in a lower vibration. And healthy food vibrates at a higher frequency. So, of course, you'll crave the lower frequency junk food because it matches your current vibration. And healthy food is too big of a vibrational leap for you. And when you raise your vibration and connect your inner goddess, you will be vibrationally aligned with healthier foods and it will become effortless to eat them. So, your to diet or not to diet challenge. I want you to ditch any diet you're currently on for the next 6 weeks whilst you do this program. I don't want you to weigh yourself unless it's at a medical appointment. And I want you to put body love first and your connection to your goddess self and trust that healthy eating will follow. So now we've established the only diet you should be on is the intuitive one. Let's move on and show you how to shine your brightest in Never Shrink to Fit and Exploding Your Light lessons.